As a guy, taking care of your skin is not a girly thing. In fact, it is very masculine and it is very important since it is the first thing people see when they look at your face. Having a glass skin means that you have no visible acne, no large pores, even skin tone color. Your skin looks bright and glowy. It looks almost like a glass. In this video, I'm going to show you how to have a glass skin in 5 simple steps. Now you want to pay attention. All these tips that I'm about to tell you needs your consistency and patience. It's not gonna happen overnight. Starting with first, you are dehydrating and not even realizing it. Drinking enough water is important, but it's not going to make your skin look hydrated. So, to really make your skin look hydrated, plump and fuller, don't drink just regular water. Drink salt water. Salt water is a water mixed with Himalayan salt. Add 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt per cup of water and drink that every morning. Salt water contains important electrolytes that gets absorbed by your body, making your skin hydrated from within. Number 2. Double cleansing. Most people wash their face only once at a time. But to make it more effective, you're going to do double cleansing. Double cleansing is a process of washing your face twice back to back with different products. This is more effective way to fighting off acne causing bacteria. Your first cleanse should be oil-based cleanser. You can use natural oils like extra virgin oil, which is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Take up 1 teaspoon of olive oil and gently massage it on your face. And after 1 minute, rub it off of your face. And with that, all the dirt will come off your face. Now, second time, you can use any good quality facial cleanser. I prefer salicylic acid cleanser. And then gently use it on your face for 1 or 2 minutes. Number 3. Good healthy diet. Most people only focus on their skincare routine without even paying attention to what they're feeding to their bodies. There are some food that works wonders for your skin like carrot, walnut, beetroot, avocado, tomatoes. These are the superfoods for your skin. Tomatoes contains lycopene, which is antioxidant that has anti-aging properties. Carrots and beetroot are high in containing beta-carotene, an antioxidant that protects your skin from sun damage. Walnuts are rich in vitamin E and B5. Walnuts also helps to increase collagen production in your body, which makes your skin strong and gives it that glow. Stay away from alcohol. Anything that has been deep fried, anything with high sugar contents, and all the junk food that are out there. Number 4. Use a moisturizing essence. Essence is a heart of Korean skincare routine to get a glass skin. Essence can brighten your skin and provide anti-aging properties, giving your skin tightness. That is one product that I use and recommend is Cosrx Nail Mucin. It will help you to strengthen your skin and make it overall healthy. And last, number 5. Apply sunscreen every day. Sunscreen is the most important step you can take as it's designed to protect your skin from UV radiation damage. UV radiation will cause wrinkles and uneven discoloration, which will ruin the glass skin that you're looking for. None of these tips will work if you keep allowing sun to damage your skin. And here's the worst part. Once UV radiation will damage your skin cells, you will never be able to reverse them. So every day you apply sunscreen even though you work from home because radiation can seep through your windows. So this was the 5 simple tips to get glass skin. Cleansing it, nourishing it, and protecting it. That's it for today's video, guys. If you want to learn about how you can glow up as a guy, click on the video of your right side.